Excited about the next step of digital transformation, where you'll learn about how people management is being impacted and disrupted by digital. I think the most exciting thing about this is that the people game is changing and will be changing for some time to come. And the impact that digital has gives us all a great opportunity to really grow and learn how to build our organizations better. We're very excited about sharing this on October 23rd. One of the main things we'll be talking about is unpacking the idea of how mindset plus data transformation really have to come together to be effective. I think that's an important topic and one you'll walk away with some really important ways of thinking about. If you're an executive, a leader in business who believes that business can be transformed through people, you'll want to understand these digital transformations, and we hope we'll see you there.